Hi, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Tahira. Oh, I'm gonna lift my shirt up. And I'm a makeup artist. I kind of specialize in kind of cleaner and greener beauty.
Hi, and I'm Karen, and I'm pregnant. And I write all about sustainable fashion and lifestyle at M4Mummy.
So we have done one video. If you haven't seen it, definitely go back and check it out, one IGTV, all about a sort of really quick school run, kind of get out to the shops kind of makeup. But this time,
we're going to try something different. We're going to do smoky eyes, because I'm really bad at doing eyes. Something to go out with, or just to look.
Well, you're on your way to an event.
I am.
A daytime event. So this is going to be my version of the fastest smoky eye that you could possibly do. You could do this in any color. We're going to use a really simple, easy kind of bronzy today, because that's a kind of color that can work on anybody. So regardless of age, skin tone, eye shape, skin tone, eye color, you can kind of make this work for you. Bronzy is a very easy way to go. Once you've mastered that, you can kind of move on to any other color you'd like. You can go as dark as black, but try blue, try khaki or army green, try lavender and violets. You have a play.
Okay, let's go.
So we're trying out this Ren silicone-free primer, which just literally arrived today. So Karen's already got it on, and you're going to go to your event, and then you're going to report back if it has worked for you or not.
I will.
So first we're going to start.
That's better.
So we're actually going to start with the Tahira X Ninny Glow Oil. So you're going to give that a shake and do a couple of drops into your hand.
Okay.
And then just smush it all over your face, but you're going to start with at the top of your cheeks.
Okay, so just a couple of drops.
Yeah, just a couple of drops. And you have to shake it up to get all that pigment around. Yeah.
Oh, it's way too much.
That's fine. We'll just smush it on your hands. Start here on the top of your cheeks and then just blend everywhere. And also your skin's a bit dry at the moment, so this will be a really good kind of moisturizing moment as well.
That good?
Yeah, it's great. Just really rub it in. And I think you can inverse the order. Like if you needed to do the oil first and the primer second, you could do that too.
Okay.
And then just really rub around the corners of your nose. Make sure you've rubbed it everywhere. And yeah, down on your collarbone's really nice. It's just got that little bit of a pinky glow to add a bit of subtle color.
Which I need.
Perfect. Then we're going to use this new product by Lily Lolo. They have just started making a cream foundation. So it comes in this compact. I've tested out the color before. And you're just going to take your finger in it really delicately, starting in the inner corner of your eye, work around to do a bit of a concealer moment, and then spread down and out. Always down and out.
Okay.
Right, so now we've got your base on. Fantastic, yes. Super easy. Now, if you needed a bit of extra concealer, I'm gonna stick with these creams. So this is the Hero Space Balm, which I also love because it's similar, it's very creamy, but it's got that tiny bit more coverage. So just, I think, like you say, you're having a lack of sleep moment, a little extra in the little corner of the eye. You just need the tiniest bit. We're gonna use our fingers again and just dab a tiny bit in the corner of your eye and use that mirror in there if you need to.
There it is.
Pardon the creaky chairs.
Yeah, I might do.
Yeah. Like, how easy was that, right?
Very easy.
So I can't function unless I can see some eyebrows. So we're gonna go in with this Benecos pencil. Now,
and I have no eyebrows.
Yours are very fair. So this is a lovely blonde color, and the Benecos one comes with that little easy end. Benecos is a great brand, again, that can be found at loads of natural food stores and online. So you're gonna take your pencil and your mirror and just follow your natural shape with the pencil.
Okay.
Like a little bit, I'm gonna just do a little bit of makeup artist moment here. You can maybe blend that out. You can bring this arch a little bit up. Hey, so we are gonna go straight in with these eyes. So we're gonna take the Zhou number 603 pencil, which is like a bronzy, really soft pencil. I've put a bit of powder on your eyelids because we put a bit of cream-based product first, so you need to kind of set it. Now what I'm gonna get you to do is do your eyeliner as if it was a normal eyeliner. So you're gonna go across your eyelid, right along the lash line, but you're gonna go over it a couple times to make it a little bit thick. And what you're not gonna do is worry about how neat or messy it is, okay? You're just gonna get it on.
Okay, here goes.
Here goes. And the only thing is don't go beyond the corners of your eye. So just as long as it's focus on the outer corner, exactly. Just, yeah.
Like that?
So, okay, so we've got our eye pencil on and you've just done it really quickly and easily, super fast. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with some eyeshadow and we're gonna kind of set that pencil, but also blend it out to create that smoky effect. This palette from Ether Beauty, which is an amazing kind of clean beauty infused with crystals, but you could use any eyeshadow that you feel. So if you choose a color that matches the pencil that you've used, you're not. So there's these two bronzy colors. So I'm gonna let you choose which one. Yeah, that one, perfect. So you just grab that. We're gonna take a smaller brush this time, okay? And you're gonna dip in a little bit. Do a little bit on each side, okay? And then go straight over what you've already done. So I'm gonna give you that, and you're gonna grab your mirror. So that was the first step. Now what you're gonna do is actually, you can make a choice now. You can actually go in with a fluffier brush that's clean, that's just had powder on it, or you can apply more of the eyeshadow. If you apply more of the eyeshadow, you're basically creating a bit more of a look. If not, this is absolutely fine the way it is, and you can just blend it out. I think we should go for a bit more color. So what we're gonna do is go in back again with this really light bronzy tone. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit, just the tiniest bit, just to sort of say we have some on the brush. And I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna just blend out everything you already have. Now, because you've got some pencil under there, that's where the intensity is gonna stay along, gently coloring the eyelid. Again, you could do this with any color. We're going really subtle today as a kind of beginner level smoky eye, but you can work your way up to a dark black if you want. So the same color again. We're keeping it super simple today, folks.
Okay.
So my key is always curling your lashes. So I love a lot of very fancy lash curlers, but this is just a Tweezerman pair from the pharmacy. I think it was like a Boots or Superdrug number. So you're gonna crimp the base of your eyelash, get all those lashes in. And we're gonna hold, once you're crimped, we're gonna hold for 3. Squeeze. Okay, squeeze for 3, 2, 1, and then pull it out just a little bit and try to get those ends so you don't get too much of an angle. There you go. And squeeze for 1 and 2. Let's see. Yeah, that makes a big difference. It just lifts the eyelash. Yeah. So if you just do the other side, please. Okay, no. So now we're gonna go in with some mascara. So there's different mascaras for different occasions. We used the lovely refillable Zhou one last time, but I really love this Absolution Cosmetics one for a bit of more of a lashy, lush lashes look. So same as always, you take off the excess from the end of your brush, and then you're gonna, from the base, zigzag out and really separate in all directions. Okay, here you go. After this look, we're gonna do some cheek. Look at this beautiful Inica highlighter. They've got a couple of colors in this. This one's called Spice. It's like a little bit of a warm goldish glow. So you're just gonna take a little bit with your finger and then you're just gonna pop it right at the top of your cheeks. Yay! What? Our technology is working again. Okay, yes. So we're gonna speak quickly before the phones go again. We need to get cameras, I think.
We need to get cameras.
Hi, camera people. Okay, so we are gonna set this. So one of my new, interesting, I enjoy this powder a lot. It's an RMS Beauty. RMS are very, if you're in organic beauty land, you'll know them very well. They have now come out in the last year with a kind of tinted powder. So it's translucent, but it's got a tiny bit of tint. which I think is a really good option because it's that extra tiny bit of radiance and coverage without too much heaviness. So you're just going to take the tiniest little amount. You can always put off the excess in your hand because that's where you're going to go back and get some more in a second. And look how light, you can just see it coming up. And literally, you're just going to dust your whole face with this. I'll give you a mirror.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then if you feel yourself kind of running out, you can just dip back into my hand. So definitely go over your concealer, over wherever you've put the cream base. And if, like me, you do have to wear more concealer or a bit more product, especially on a very movable part here, or perhaps if you have some pigmentation around your mouth, anywhere that's a movable part that you've got to put a bit more makeup on, you might want to consider a puff. So you can either use a washable powder puff, or you can get brushes that actually have a sponge tip on them, if that's what you prefer.
Yes.
So that just sets it and gives you that soft matte finish. So now we're ready for some powder blush. I'm going to use this Benecos, which is a very affordable range of kind of cleaner, better makeup based out of Germany, which is very available and accessible. And actually, to keep things simple, we're actually just...
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
I've just got to go get a brush for this. Now we are ready for some blush. We've got our powder on. So if you've put a cream base or any sort of cream on your face, do set it with powder before applying a powdered brush, or else it's blush, or else it's going to stick. So I've got a lovely brush here. You're just going to take a little bit. Now for blush, it's best to tap off the excess, either on a tissue, in your hand, wash it later. Don't put it on your white clothing. And then I'm going to show you where to place it. If you want, you can do a little smile, and you can find the biggest apple of your cheek, and then just dust gently upwards. Remembering that we've got our lovely little highlighter there already. So you're going to do the other side. You actually don't need that much more, so take a little bit. And do the other cheek, and we're going to blend it out with some powder in a sec. So if you're worried at all about blending, you can take a little bit more powder. You can take some maybe from the lid of your powder pot, or if you have a compact, just do another swirl, and then just follow the direction and just go over what you've already done in the same direction as you want the color to go. So just do up and over, that's it. Just keep going up and over, and that's just going to blend it all out. And this is the easiest bit of all, a little bit of lipstick. I'm pretty certain you know how to put lipstick on.
Well, let's hope.
This is the new lovely nude from Dr. Hauschka. I think it's called number 20, and it's part of their new collection, which the name escapes me, so I'm going to write it below. If you wanted, you could wear a color, a really bright color with this kind of soft smoky eye, but we're keeping it all a bit nudie neutral. That's so pretty. That looks so lovely.
That is a lovely colour lipstick.
Does it feel nice?
Feels really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good.
Super. So there you have it. A very quick and easy smoky eye with a neutral lip.
I think it's a really lovely look. Because I'm really scared of wearing too much eye makeup.
No, this is like, and working with these bronzy tones again, it will work on anybody. It makes it super easy. If your skin is darker, you can use the darker bronze, or maybe even a brown, a chocolate, an espresso color, if you don't want to use a black. Also, always consider colors like plum and aubergine, or yeah, we call it eggplant where I come from. Aubergine, eggplant. Consider colors like dark green and khaki, army green, all those kinds of greens. Gray is a really good option. There's a load of options that are not black. So when you're doing a smoky eye, you don't feel like you have that pressure of doing a very dark eye. So brilliant. Yeah. Sorry.
Go away and try it yourself.
Have a wonderful time. We're going to put everything in the box below. Please tell us how you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Please tell us, and do tell us if there's anything you want to see. We're enjoying having these little moments of makeup.
We're going to do some more, so let us know.
Yeah, makeup moments with Tahira and Karen.
Excellent.
Have a lovely day.
Bye.